on the 6th na be my wedding. The wedding wey we dey plan since early this year. Now this very week when we enter, so now we want to do the wedding. So this one when I post here, because the blessing they think they confuse some of us. This address when I put here, this one we did down here. So now bachelors if get together like friends when I never see before, or friends will be say don't tell me we see, so we'll just stay hang around on Saturday night stroke Sunday morning. And that one they call bachelor's eve. Now me be officially married man. Now I be officially married man. You understand? So this one we did that here not compulsory. Say you must attend. This one we did that here so not compulsory. But people go do a lot of fine girls go there. This bachelor's event, my they tell the truth. A lot of fine girls, fine boys, guys, men. You understand? So the day this bachelor's eve. But on Sunday, now let me what they do wedding for the whole of Europe. Not be only Germany, the whole of Europe. I don't go observe and say nobody will get party that on Sunday, which is on the 6th. That is why I'm a great man. That is why I'm a great. I'm a great philanthropist. I'm a comedian to a lot of people. I'm a joy giver to a lot of people. So please guys, celebrate me on that day. Please. For those who love me, leave my enemies with the cry. You understand? Their plans are failed. Plan have failed. So they are not trying everything possible to no man say no, they are versing no one, they are versing no one, you know. So I say yeah. Now they don't know what they do. Me put something for ground, women want to do. Hello? Oh, really? Oh, I will come. I come by 12 o'clock. 12. Okay, today. Okay. Tuesday. That definitely no problem. I will come and do that. I'll come and do that. Okay. Okay. You said what? I said I will do what you just told me. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. I understand what you said. Yeah, no problem. From tomorrow. No problem. Thank you. Bye bye. Police, what you now? When we are running Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday now. So they say whether I go feed they come only this week because they know say I want to do something. They say I feel come only on Friday. So I have to see time to do my thing. God bless all the police for where for they do cleaning. Please, we're going to raw the dairy on him. Now do go. Now do be. My people, the joy in me getting married, now the tears of my enemies. A lot of people be not want make this thing work. My story so mawa yatamuwa after this marriage. But at the end of the day, to God be the glory. Usaloboa or nyati. My name is Agbo. My name is Agbo. You see this at those cyberspace. It's either you are with us or you are against us. A lot of enemies. There is a those cyberspace. Area one way I love you where we are all. So if you are in those cyberspace, you don't know your left from your right, you don't know who love you, genuinely, not be pretend, then you are just on a long thing. We many days swing. So I am here to say thank God Almighty, because today is the last day of September and we are heading out to October. Tomorrow is also my mom's birthday. It's just a double celebration. My mom will be 74 tomorrow. So tomorrow is my mommy's birthday. The mother that gave birth to me. Enogie, one of Deutschland. Happy birthday in advance to my loving mother. After God is my mother and my mother-in-law. That is why in life we will get opportunity to get good mama and good mother-in-law where they pray for us. We don't know the value. If you have the opportunity to have a good mother who is always there for you, nobody's going to be here forever, but now talk. So all disease was so tough for me. This will not be next 2 weeks. So this will not be next week. On Sunday, yeah. That's my goddaughter Becky Love. I can't wait to see you for the very first time. Becky, I can't wait to see you for the very first time. Because the goddaughter no the swag, goddaughter no the level, goddaughter no the be or travel. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So why we say? Why no nerume? Una will be my lover when they pray for me secretly. Good prayer. I dey see all of my handwork for my body. God, I go bless you now for me. Uwaya hiama magmona uwawe to uwawe mi no yawe guwa yaro uwa uwaga we mi no yo magogo wari mi ve wari mi mu. For as many of you that supported me financially, I never want call name. After marriage, I'll call their names. Waya wa we see. But God Almighty bless you all. There is no a presenter never fancy a presenter. Hello, on y a de la vidéo. Adieu, Wami. Adieu, Wami. Hey. Una, where is it from Nigeria? They come. Like Baba ATM machine. Eba Magba. And some other people, like we have Baba Skimiye. Baba Skimiya, one of Amsterdam. Mommy Douglas, one of Denmark. Why? Oh, you are not giving me no day. I will say. And so will we go. And so we no get they use all the money for juju. You know why they talk like that? Because what they plan against me failed. Osanobo away me no you can't be like saying juju. I don't know how they feel me, but I love like him, man. I still just now. Not be marriage with the talk, Jare. Sometimes in life, it get the way enemy go take they torment you. Their plan not they work. They'll come they accuse you for broad daylight afternoon. See they use juju. Don't be juju. Now God they fight for you. No native doctor is perfect in this life. And no native doctor will not go back for this life. Just that some of them they use it back until they would themselves. Me enemy for not getting down. But you see Baba God, when they fight for me, they come since. Baba, you never hear say they say Baba God die. Don't hear that once. The creator of the universe. The creator that created himself. Person will create himself. e me mweti nya ni wana gbona do are we na re I we ku ebo Enogie lo nini ya lu ebo so fa my webo ni ya si wa me koto so fa my webo ni ya mo fancy very ya if I do charm say may God dey bless all my fans may they see better money now the person will get money they give how one of God you know he giving if I dey pray that prayer for now no go like am say he get wetin me even take dey do the ebo way if fancy very ya fair on really social media Giara any ara mi zekwa no be person wey belleful dey give person our name not be good prayer no what yes or no is it not a good prayer for you as me now call the talk say we do ne worry if fancy me ya ga ma o ya mi ezekwa o igo ide gbe ka o be fancy me o ya mi kina be ari meru da wa no we or you know is it not a good prayer oh nothing matter is it not a good prayer no person will get a give so why I will say a marriage man you yeah but I believe God has been too faithful to fail. God has been too faithful to fail. I'm happy. I'm grateful to God Almighty. So please, I don't already put money for my wife head since May 25th this year. This one where I want to do a reception of enjoyment. I do celebrate because I want to do luxury marriage. Why is it luxury? You see this, my wife. We have passed through thick and thin. I'm happy you word away. Kion obonle e o se na biele mo ya fe no biele beni ni runu wa Raymond iri be na me gbe ni me we give we so we give away nia we have for pray my fans so made for they give me if they get na there for see they pray my own yes that is the truth ki na no go we no ma e na no go waya so wala o waya we are going to celebrate on the 6th of October. On the 6th. Today na Monday. So I Tuesday, Wednesday,